Okay, so first part we're going to design and build is going to be our adapter. And you can see here I've got a model of the quick release mech for the Moza, which is that part there. And then this is a 3D printed unit which I've made to go onto the Moza steering wheel. And if I hide them out, this is the part that you'll have to make, which will interface with the quick release mechanism. So this part is critical that you have this exactly the right size and all the dimensions are 100% accurate, because otherwise it won't go into the system. So what we're going to start with, before I go any further, I'll just quickly talk to this and the design behind it. If I turn on the front part of the hub, we have 6 contacts which will sit in here. So that means we can have 5 buttons on our wheel. So there's one line which will be our ground line, and then 5 other buttons or switches for paddles or something like that. So what we have basically is a 8-sided shape. So an octagon that gives us 6 sets of contacts. The top will have a locking mechanism in it, so it has a little hole there for the locking mech. And the bottom's nice and flat, so we can 3D print it and not have any interruptions in that part of the design. So that's sort of what we're aiming for. This front edge here is filleted up so that it can slide into the mechanism, push the pins down, and then they can lock in. So that's the reason why this is curved up. So all, as I said, is designed very specifically to lock into the mechanism that we have. So we're going to start ourselves a new file, and we're going to start with sketch, and we'll choose this front face, and right in the center on the origin point we're going to start with a polygon. So polygon, circumscribe polygon. We're going to start on that center point, and we're going to hit the tab key to switch across, and we're going to make sure instead of 6 sides it's got 8 sides. We'll tab back across and make sure this is 20 millimeters. Sweet. Like we've done before, we'll just make sure that's one of those sides, either the one of them or one of them, is horizontal vertical, so it locks it all in place. We'll finish up. And now we can extrude this. Go backwards, so minus 55 millimeters. And enter. Now we're going to add our fillets. So fillet, I'm going to use this face here, 15 mil. All right. Next video, I'm going to go through how to create the other features which sit onto this part.